My people, now good morning. Now my name that they call Augusta Gold. Thank you when I take come watch my it's so serious. Hello friends, welcome to my channel today. My name is Augusta Gold. You see this boy, this Bobrisky guy. The guy, I don't know what I put about him or I put about she because I don't understand now. In Wahala plenty, no be here. This week alone, he don't get Wahala with both Halima Abubakar and Tonto Dike. Halima Abubakar, a Nigeria actress. Tonto Dike, all of you know that one. I don't need to introduce that one to now. So Halima Abubakar come out this week talk saying she see the verse for waiting Bobrisky do 2019 because inside 2019 Halima first sick one kind of sickness where we know understand. So the thing really take her down where now God now even save her. She be down near the gates of heaven and hell. Now God now just say make it come back say her time he never reached. So that period, she even complained that time, say many of her friends desert her. Una surprise. Hey, no be normal thing. Once you dey problem, once you dey wahala, plenty people go waka. Now very few friends, if you see at all, now you go stay with you with wahala day. So make you know how you dey arrange yourself. Yes, plenty friends they day when things day. But when things don't they reduce, or when they meet some kind stumbling block for road, plenty friends go jump through the window. So that period, Halima accused plenty of her friends, say they jumped through the window, which is normal, which is what we expected. So that time now, it be like say she and Bobrisky can't get one internal trouble. Bobrisky block her. He be like say she's Bobrisky complain say she self unfollow Ram. So the two of them get in a problem that time. However, make I talk this one. Bobrisky apologized that time for the text message where Halima released. Bobrisky apologized, but you know that kind of apology where he say you go naked person finish for Village Square, you go come inside house, come to use rapate they tie him. It already dey inside house. Why you gonna use rapate they cover him again? It already naked for Village Square. You know that kind of apology. You know they go down well with some people. You know they feel just say okay, I hear make matter for the go. But you know say if injuries go, say the saw don't go, not mean say the scar not there. Anytime when you see that mark, that scar of the saw, you gotta remember what it caused the saw that year. And people they heal differently. Halima says she said till now say she see they take medication for her wahala that time. So what that mental health join the thing that time, we don't know. You know, say sometimes, hey, when you go see some kind of things of this life, it will bring mental health, can't give person. So she say she released that talk. She just talk that thing to be able to heal. Some people then they heal like that. If they never talk with their mind no they come down. They know they feel they heal. So people heal differently. So people they need to come out, come tell you, say, man, that's the way you do me, you fuck up, you mess me up, I don't like them. You know, before they go feel heal internally, they need you to tell them, say sorry, or make una just scatter the bottle for there, you know, that kind of thing. So I think say now waiting Halima do be that. So Bobrisky come. The thing, as Halima release the thing now, you know, now people come they comment, it come make Bobrisky self come they talk, you know, the two of them come they exchange word like that. Meanwhile, una know say Tonto and Bobrisky now 5 and 6 like Ewa going and Agege bread. Now the two of them be right from time. That way Tonto Dike and his husband Shoshi they call for social media. Now Bobrisky here and a day 24/7. Then they go to buy together. Then they Abuja together. They lodge for hotel together, doing things together. You know, people call them with the suspect say whether Bobrisky they do that kind of thing because we know say Bobrisky never remove that thing. You know, So don't talk saying don't they gather money when you go do the operation when you go remove that in gun. But the gun still there. Only gun, I know the way they package the gun for bottle, nothing they see the gun. If she dress up, anything one I like, more than call her. So that period again, when Chochi come marry Rosie, when the matter come up again for social media, people call they say why Bobrisky and Tonto they're not going to do the flow like that again. Bobrisky can just see make noise small, just see hit Rosie small that time, say he can't support Tonto, but Tonto not talk all through the noise. Tonto not talk. Maybe not because say she don't join politics, she don't do politics, so she don't do the talk for all this matter. She's too busy now. Hey God, oh God, make me busy like this. She's too busy. Maybe if I busy like that now, the approach go reduce small. She come today busy to talk all those kind matter. She can't leave the streets for people like them Bob. They play for the streets. You know, that period people can say, wait till they happen. Bob come throw one small one that time saying, say, you know, say he mess up tonto debe tonto no verse, but saying go see support to that kind of thing. But they're not young when we see they watch. You know that time when they two they run around everywhere. Me no say the thing not go feel last. I know, because if you look the kind of Bob personality, you look the kind of Tonto personality, I equivalent now. The two of them, their head not correct. Now, Tonto head don't definitely correct because she's getting more responsible. She's doing more responsible things. So I think that one, they make her calm down. But when me Bobuna, again, now only God now go help Bob. So now I walk, now what did the chop be that? He did the street. So now, before we know what's going to happen, Bob don't post something for social media, say, you unfollow me, I block you. Kini? He said Tonto unfollow her, saying come block Tonto. He be like say Tonto don't want the noise again. You know, that kind of thing. Now she quietly unfollow Bob. Now Bob self unfollow Tonto, now him block Tonto. But my own be say, he can still come social media. That Bob is not correct too. He can still come social media because they talk say, Tonto, you know I love you so much. 5 years relationship cannot just go down the drain. It was because you unfollow me. That was why I block you. I can't say sure. She unfollow you quietly. You block her quietly. Why not they tell us? Why, no, why you, Bob, they tell us? You for keep on to yourself. But Bob can't say something. Can't talk say, 5 years friendship go down the drain because of Lady Goffer. Now go say who be Lady Goffer again? Lady Goffer, now another person when be say if they support Chochi, that time when Chochi and Tonto they get the issue. Now Lady Goffer, now Tonto friend before, boy, you know that kind of friend of all those friending me. Now Lady Goffer be. Lady Goffer now come carry the matter for her that time of Chochi matter. He called the hawk like gala for street. Now Tonto called Bona. Even Bob that time said no, they follow Lady Goffer, they flow. That time when you're talking to a friend. But you know that kind of friends who are not they like. Now friend will be saying, una two they do friend. But because when our friendship don't hit the rock, the person will go join your enemy or your friend enemy. Begin they do you. You know that kind of, or even if you know they join, they do yourself. For her to go even join your friend enemy at all. Become, go stay your friend enemy camp at all. It suggests that you are not safe. I think saying that video when Lady Goffer release when Bobrisky they spray him. Lady Goffer do something like party or something. Bobrisky can't they spray him. He can't go post the video. Tonto can't see the video. Tonto can't unfollow Bobrisky. If not me, unfollow too much, I go unfollow you, I go block you. Oh yeah. Now some my own rich. If not me, I go unfollow you, I go block you. See, anybody that is very close to your ex is an enemy. If you and your ex know the flow, anybody where they showing, especially your friend, don't be mutual friend though. Mutual friend, and you know how you want to do them. Whether you want block them or whether you want follow them or you want continue with them or now your own succor be that one. But your own friend, when decide to chewing gum your ex, after you and your ex don't go and now they flow where, might even your husband said your friend not supposed to be that kind of close to your husband like that. Yes, now mutual friend, but the closeness should have a limit. Come be say you and now your ex now don't fight dirty already. Your friend decide to choose that person, and then your other friend decide to go with the flow. Oh boy, Tonto too nice. She don't really cool. She don't really cool. Even if you be my sister, you be my family member, you decide to be with my ex, I will block you. I go block you. Relationship is severe, it's caught. You don't go. I don't want. Because if that person when you're not the flow before, if the person won't harm you, you know see I go pass enter you. You go pass through that person when they're close to you. Because you no go know. If you be person like me, where we say they lose guard anyhow, you no go know where till they happen. I think that was the reason why Tonto unfollow Bob. Bob said he wala too much. Person wey be say no be your friend. Yeah, your friend enemy or friend enemy. You carry body go meet am because una get misunderstanding. You see this friendship thing, To even get friends, they fear me. To get friend, they fear me. Because some friends, some friends are very good. Some friends are more than your family. They are very good, you know. But at a time, maybe like say this friendship thing, you get as they go. If you not dey careful, your friend, especially when be say you did this kind of position with Tonto Dike day. If you are not careful, now that your friend will be say be your party and your best friend. Remember what that musician sing? Only your best friend knows your secret, and only him could reveal it. Who that cap fit, let him wear it. Friends don't do me. Really, friends, acquaintance, they don't do me. So me, I understand Tonto very well. Once you don't become friend with my enemy or frenemy, I go use that give you chance. Because if they not come direct to me, they go pass through you, come meet me. This matter, that's why I see and reach you. I just see my tell you now say Bob and Tonto Dike, we swear allegiance, say hey, forever, nothing go make them scatter Gary. They don't scatter Gary, yo. So friendship they hot when it break, you know. Somehow I feel say Bob they feel bad say the friendship break. Some other part that they feel say Bob now where he not just saying he just do it thing they go. However, Tonto don't move on. Now so the matter reach. Una do, una take care. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. See you guys again. I just want to laugh.